Any mention?
May I please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 45, Lordship.
No objection.
Personal difficulties.
Murendra movement, what's the matter about?
It's about the retirement, Lordship.
It's for pension matter?
Yes, Lordship.
No adjournment. Why? No adjournment.
Due to personal difficulties, Lordship, after
Who's
2 weeks.
difficulty?
PT Sangma, Lordship.
When did he retire? When did he retire?
21, Lordship.
1 week, yes.
High your best, Lordship.
Please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 48, Your Lordship. I'm for the petitioner. Your Lordship, it's an appointment matter, Your Lordship, to the post of assistant professor.
Yes, any objection?
Your Lordship,
Supposed to file objection.
yes, Your Lordship, we'll be filing the objection in the course of the day.
You say that revision to what?
We
To
have filed an additional document, Your Lordship. They have an objection to that.
Your name?
Ms. B. Thaba.
MSB Thaba.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay. Submits an objection to the additional affidavit filed by the state respondents.
Bringing on record another
It will be
document.
filed in the course of the days. It's after 1 week.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Please, Your Lordship. Should I beg to mention item number 53, madam? Madam, may kindly be taken up after 2 weeks, madam.
Is regard the revision matter?
This is
The
regarding
seat matter?
Seat matter, MBBS, under the central full quota.
Yes, no objection? No objection. Yes, 2 weeks, yes.
Much obliged.
Yes.
My Lord, I beg to mention item number 28. My Lord, this matter is still pending before the Supreme Court.
No objection.
What's the matter pending?
This matter is regarding special recruitment in the Sericulture Department, my Lord. I pray for 2 weeks' time, my Lord.
Contempt matter?
Yes, my Lord.
Yes, list after 2 weeks. Yes.
My Lord, I pray similar prayer for item 52 as well. This matter is regarding upgradation of a village.
Who is appearing 52? Respondents?
Mr. Philemon Nombri is on leave, my Lord.
Who's appearing for the respondents? No one. Oh, yeah, here. No objection?
No, Your Lordship.
After 2 weeks, yes.
Much obliged, my Lord.
Yes.
Yes, Lordship, I beg to mention item number 30.
Number?
30, my Lord, 30.
You're for which respondent?
6 and 7, my Lord.
Why you want to join? Your objection?
No objection, Your Lordship. 1 to 3, Your Lordship.
No objection?
No, Your Lordship.
One, it's after 2 weeks.
Highly obliged.
Your Lordship. Please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 47. Your Lordship, I strongly object, Your Lordship.
You object?
Yes, Your Lordship.
What's the matter about?
Pertaining to the promotion, Lordship. Your
Who's
Lordship,
appearing for counsel?
the arguing counsel is having some personal difficulty today,
Dr.
Lordship.
Mojika?
Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Killap, you ready with the matter today?
I'm ready.
You're the main respondent.
Lordship with the private respondents.
No, you're the beneficiary.
Lordship.
You will hear them, yes. Let's see. Mr. Nongpur is here.
Should some tomorrow, Lordship?
What's the
Or
urgency?
any next week? They've challenged our
The-
promotion.
No, he's retiring very soon.
No, Lordship.
Actually, the conducting counsels want to take up the matter. Your Lordship.
Oh, after 1 week, yes. I thought that he's retiring. Yes, on
1 week.
is due to the difficulty expressed by due to unavailability of the learned senior counsel. We have
Lordship,
respondent number.
He's available, but he has personal difficulty, Lordship. This matter.
Can't pick and choose due to personal difficulty. Okay, after 1 week of so sir. Yes.
Obliged.
Well, item number 32, my lord. I need to do some more research, my lord. That is the tool gate, my lord, where they have gone beyond the tender condition. Where my lord has My lord, whether someone can go beyond the tender terms, my lord. My lord, I am trying to
Already a dead, you're beating a dead horse.
my lord, let me try, my lord.
You'll bring it back to life.
No, my lord. But only thing is this, my lord. Otherwise, it will be a very bad precedent. Now, tender will be floated for XYZ, and they will, in the agreement, they will go for ABCD. That may not be proper, my lord. So, just give me 1 more week, my lord. I will see whether I can get some more.
Petitioner is not even the tenderer in that. It's not
I
even
may
a
not be.
bidder.
I may not be. I am prospective bidder, my lord. And on the basis of a tender which has been floated, now you are just extending, taking the shelter of the High Court's order.
After
Okay, 1 week
My lord, hello, please.
to perform last rites, yes.
My lord.
Lordship,
Yes.
I beg to mention item number 34 to 44.
Number?
34 to 44. Connected matters, Your Lordship.
No adjournment these matters. They've been
Lordship, the
long
Advocate
enough.
General is having some personal difficulties today.
Who's there? There are many lawyers can take it up. This matter, I don't think is seeking time.
No, we are not sitting
Yes.
them. Your Lordship, have it some other day, Your Lordship.
Becomes very difficult. No, this matter has been adjourned repeatedly by the petitioners, no doubt. But yes, a very short matter. I don't
Can we
think.
have it tomorrow then, Your Lordship?
Yes, MS Sarmarat.
We don't have an objection.
34 to 44.
34 to 44.
After 1 week of the fixed matter.
Much obliged.
At request also.
Your Lordship, I would to I'd like to beg item number 50.
For 1 week. Listed the fixed matter, yes.
Your Lordship, I would like to beg for item number 50.
Number?
50.
50.
Yes.
Pranjaloti Rabak.
Yes, Lordship. Yes, Honor.
You have for whom? Appearing for respondent
Respondent number 6.
I'm of the petitioner, Lordship. No objection because he is out of his station that.
Okay, 2 weeks, yes.
Oblige, Your Honor.
Supplementary list item number 1.
May it please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
I'm bringing up, Your Lordship. Kindly take up this matter at the end of the board, Lordship.
It's only for notice.
Lordship.
Then?
Lordship, it's a simple issue actually. We are not asking for stay also. We are not asking for stay also, Lordship.
Lordship, the DSGI's presence is required, Lordship.
So we'll record later on when he's here. Here's that Mr. W. Kong's issue notice. Why they're watching YouTube? Yes, MS Emre Chang is present on behalf of the SGI. No further notice required. This after 2 weeks for 3 weeks after it or instruction.
Much obliged.
2.
My lord, in this matter, I'm agree with the direction of the district council again. It's like a similar case like yesterday. My lord, may I take to the impugned direction annexure 2, page 14. Page 14. May I read, Your Lordship? Page 14. Annexure 2, page 14.
Yes.
Your Lordship, I'll go to the main letter. With reference to the letter and subject cited above, I am directed to inform you that the Executive Committee, Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Shillong, has directed you to ensure that Shri Waddington Nongrum shall not convene or hold any darbar within the tendering village and shall not write tendering till disposal of the pending election disputes. Your Lordship, this...
What election dispute is it?
Your Lordship, what has happened here is that just a few weeks back, Your Lordship, there was a darbar hold by this Sardar. So prior to this also, there were complaints before the District Council, Your Lordship, that whoever dissents against the Sardar, he publicly humiliated them and chased them from the darbar. And there has been ostracization cases also, Your Lordship, committed by this Sardar. So, Your Lordship, just a few weeks back, there was a huge commotion and women were assaulted, Your Lordship. And the police were registered. FIR and counter FIRs were filed. So based on these complaints, Your Lordship, and there was an election dispute, because Your Lordship, I'll just briefly inform the court, Your Lordship. In the year 2018, Your Lordship, the Meghalaya High Court has directed that the electors for the Sardar, Your Lordship, should be adult male and females. So that was the norm, Your Lordship, after the direction of the High Court. Then last...
bench?
Yes, Your Lordship. Then last year, Your Lordship, this particular Sardar was elected only by the 17 clan, Your Lordship. Despite the direction given by the District Council that election should be as per the Act. And then
what does the Act say?
The Act says it has to be the adult members, Your Lordship.
Male and female?
Male and female, yes. Then, Your Lordship, what has happened?
Not correct, Your Lordship.
Yes. Then what has happened, Your Lordship? The electors who were denied the right to vote, Your Lordship, they filed an election as per the Act, election petition before this aim. That was filed since last year, Your Lordship. The matter was never heard, not even once. Now, Your Lordship, because of this law and order, because of this election petition, Your Lordship, whenever the Sardar called for election, the people who did not elect him, Your Lordship, they were chased out. They were not allowed to participate in the Darbar. So that was why, Your Lordship, District Council yesterday's case, Your Lordship, directed the Bakraw to conduct the Darbar. And just a few weeks back also, Your Lordship, even in the news, it was reported that female were assaulted. Whoever dissented with, there was no concept of democracy at all whatsoever. Whoever dissented with the Sardar, Your Lordship, they were chased out. And because they are in the majority, Your Lordship, the Sardar and his supporters, since they are in the majority, Your Lordship, so there's a law and order issue. That is why, Your Lordship, to prevent that, to prevent that law and order issue, Your Lordship, and also because we've received many complaints, Your Lordship, against the Sardar. Whenever there is a Darbar, people were chased out and then humiliated. These are the cases, and ostracized, Your Lordship, from the...
Bring out the record.
Yes, Your Lordship, we will bring out the record. And Your Lordship, I pray that this case and yesterday's matter be connected, Your Lordship, since it relates to the Darbar.
Your Lordship, I think it has a whole misinterpreted the situation.
Your Lordship, we have the records.
Let me make my submission, Your Lordship. So what was happening, Your Lordship? Yes, in 2018, there was an order of the High Court that the election at that time should be elected by all the female and male adult franchise from that area. But what happened in the process of time in 2024 and 2025, the order from the District Council have come that they have split the election of Sardar village tendering and the Sardar Shnat right tendering. And then there is an approval and order from the CM of Himai Khairim that the 17 clan Thimmai will be the one, as per the Constitution and the Khairim Act also, that they will choose the Sardar of Shnat right tendering. So they have gone as per the provision, as per the rules, as per what it has been approved, not only at the whim and fancy of the Sardar of Shnat right tendering. Now, after the election was conducted, they made they filed an election petition.
Now that the direction was for election Sardar tendering or Shnat right tendering?
Shnat right tendering.
Yes.
Then they filed election petition. We had gone to the forum, and then we had challenged. We have put an objection, non-maintainable application, on the person who filed the petition. Then it's yet to be heard. They have not even show cause on that this one, though time has been given to them. Now they have come with all the different narratives just to throw something against us. Now what happened, Your Lordship? Suddenly, even if there's a complaint filed before the District Council, usually the complaint should go as per the Khairim Act, should go before the CM Khairim. Now they filed the complaint before the District Council. This council never should cause me. They never give me a chance to be heard. Now one day they just directed the CM of Khairim to direct the third party to call for a Darbar Pulun. What was yesterday, my lord? Which against custom and tradition, against the Constitution, which approved by Himai Khairim itself. Now today, because I put an objection on that on their direction, and they could not hold that Darbar Pulun. Now what they have come after that, they come with this direction to bar me to convene the Darbar Pulun. Your Lordship, this order itself is beyond the jurisdiction. It's void in nature. Yes. Now, see, Your Lordship, even in this impugn order, they have made a reference in one letter which is a complaint. They never call me for show cause. They never give me a
Your Lordship, I just would like to mention.
Within 1 week.
No, Your Lordship, I have to compile lots of documents, Your Lordship. Lots of documents have to be compiled.
Your Lordship, I also filed an application for stay.
Law and order will prevail.
I cannot give any stay order right now. But the thing is that let them put objection. If they say that it might create law and order situation, but if you say that you were elected by Shnat right tendering by the
17 clan, Your Lordship.
By the 17 clan.
Your Lordship, I would just like to...
Your Lordship, let me just one more. Your Lordship, when they called that meeting for that Dorbar Pulun by the third party, I convened an urgent meeting to explain to the people on Schnarreiten Ring. Then they themselves, they came and put an objection and caused the trouble in the situation. It's not me, it's through the order of this district council that call all these havoc, all these problem in the Schnarreiten Ring. They have just go beyond their jurisdiction and power.
You elected when?
I was elected
last year, Your Lordship, in the month of July.
My sanat, Your Lordship, I have enclosed page 11. Annex 1. That was my sanat.
Okay, 8/7/25.
Yes.
Right.
Your Lordship, it's my humble prayer, Lordship. Direction may...
Peter Prud, Limited Council of Petitioner, issue notice MSPS Nongri, present on behalf of response number 1 to 4, accept notice.
Sure, I pray for interim.
No further notice on these respondents. Notice issued performance one within 2 days. Stop.
Your Lordship, I pray for interim, Your Lordship, please, because they will stop me
Your Lordship, it will lead to bloodshed, Your Lordship.
even sitting. Nothing of
Your
that
Lordship,
sort.
we have one report, Your Lordship.
We also have filed the FIR.
Yes,
Yeah.
the grievance of the writ petitioner, who stated to be the Sardar of Schnarreiten Ring, is with the impugned notice letter dated 15 April 2026, whereby the performer respondent number 5, bracket CM of Khairim, has been directed to ensure that the petitioner shall not convene or hold any darbar within Ring village and Schnarreiten Ring till disposal of pending election disputes. Stop. It has been submitted by the council for the petitioner that the said letter is without jurisdiction, inasmuch as a petitioner is a legitimately elected Sardar of Schnarreiten Ring, and to convene at the whole other bar is part of his official functions. Stop. He therefore prays that the interim or the impugned order, which has curtailed his functions, be stayed in the interim. Stamp. MSPS Nongri, appearing for response 1 to 4, has submitted that the impugned letter was issued to prevent any untoward incidents happening in the event a darbar is held, inasmuch as per instructions on earlier occasion in the darbar had
Yes, Your Lordship, just first week of April.
In the first week of April, there were cases of
Assault, Your Lordship. Women were assaulted.
And intimidation. She prays that be allowed to bring the materials on record.
Your Lordship, with regard to the criminal case, the police may be...
By way of affidavit within a week's time.
Lordship, I kindly pray for 2 weeks, Your Lordship. Not possible for me.
It's too long.
Your Lordship, with regard to the criminal case, Your Lordship, we don't have it on record. The police may be directed to file a report, Your Lordship.
Within 2 weeks. No, you just...
It is both sides that we also file the complaint.
Yes, Your Lordship, let the police file a report.
Within 2 weeks from today. Stop. List this matter for admission hearing on the next date. Stop. The prayer for interim stay will be considered the next date.
Much obliged.
Highly obliged, Your Lordship.
List item number 1.
Can this matter be taken up after a week, my lord? After a week, man, this matter.
No objection, Your Lordship.
Where's Mr. Sen?
He's present, Your Lordship.
He's present.
He's available.
Can't see him, yes.
He's available, Your Lordship.
On the prayer of Mr. SD, this is matter after 1 week.
1 week.
2.
Yes.
Please, Lordship. Lordship, the facts leading to filing this appeal is that the
appellant here, Lordship, he is being aggrieved by the order dated 2/2026, Lordship, which is at page 27.
Yes.
Lordship, the learned judge, District Council Court, had passed the order directing the appellant to pay rupees 3,000 per month as alimony, plus rupees 51,000 as arrear alimony, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, the appellant and the respondent here, they are husband and wife. They have cohabited together as in the year 2017, and thereafter they performed their marriage in the year 2020, and out of their wedlock, one daughter was born to them. Lordship, during the initial stage of their marriage, there was
What happened then?
Lordship, thereafter the appellant, he has filed a divorce suit.
The appellant has filed. You have filed.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay.
And during the dependency of this divorce suit, the respondent had filed an application for alimony, Lordship. Thereby,
yes,
it's disposed of, Lordship, by this order. Thereby, the judge, District Council Court, has directed him to pay, as mentioned earlier, Lordship, 3,033, Lordship.
Page 33.
Lordship.
Yes.
It starts
Where's
from
the
page 32, Lordship. From page 32.
Read up to part.
Page 32,
Yes.
last para.
Just
May I
read
read,
that.
Lordship?
Yes.
After perusal of the record and affidavit filed by both the parties, it is undisputed that husband opposite party gross salary is rupees 48,699 per month, which is liable to statutory deduction of rupees 4292 as NDPS, monthly maintenance of rupees 10,000, and after the said deduction, he would be getting about rupees 34,407 per month, and other deductions being personal loans are voluntary in nature. It is also undisputed that the wife appellant earns rupees 9,500 per month. So, considering the documents of income of both parties and without going into the merit of the suit, the husband opposite party is directed to pay the wife a sum of rupees 3,000 for alimony pendente light as litigation costs till disposal of divorce suit number 20 of 2024. Such amount shall be paid every month without fail with effect from the date of presentation of the petition, that is 24/9/2024. The arrear alimony pendente amount of rupees 51,000 in respect of period from September 2024 to January 2026 shall be paid by the husband opposite party to the wife applicant in 10 months equal installments.
What happened to the divorce suit?
It's still pending, Lordship.
What stage is it?
Suggested issues by the court, Lordship.
When was it filed?
I don't know. 24, Lordship.
24 is an issue still now.
Yes, Lordship.
Are they giving dates regularly or?
Regularly, Lordship.
Yes. So what is your prayer?
Lordship, I pray based on the grounds that.
So you're earning 40, but by your own admission, you're earning how much? You're earning
48,699. But however, Lordship, after all deductions, the remaining salary which is drawn by the appellant is only rupees 8,407. And after this, Lordship, the alimony has been deducted. Now his salary is only rupees 307, Lordship, per month. So it's Lordship, based on this ground only, Lordship, I humbly pray that
maintenance 10,000.
Yes, Lordship, maintenance has already been paid.
Yes.
Yes, Lordship. The contention of the petitioner is that, main contention is that, Your Lordship, that I've been receiving monthly maintenance of rupees 10,000, Lordship. Whereas, Your Lordship.
And you're also employed?
Yes, Lordship. I'm holding one post, Lordship. I'm teaching in an evening school, Lordship, where I'm getting only 3,450
but then in
monthly
your,
salary, Your
as
Lordship.
per the order, you said you submitted affidavit showing you 9,500.
Yes, Lordship, and I am holding another post, Lordship, and that is not a regular post, Lordship. It depends upon the project basis, Lordship. If there is a project, then only I get the amount of rupees 6,000 per month, Lordship. Otherwise, I'm not getting, Lordship. So my monthly income is based only on my evening school, Lordship, that is 3,000. I've got one daughter, Lordship, who's a school going,
From the
Lordship.
appellant.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes.
And the amount of maintenance which they are providing, Lordship, maintenance, 10,000, it is not sufficient only for my daughter also, Lordship, since she is also a school going, Lordship. And moreover, Lordship, the petitioner here, Lordship, they have submitted their income certificate also, Lordship. And this income certificate which they have submitted, Lordship, it has been submitted since 24th June 2024. And another one,
Page 26 in the.
Yes, Lordship. Another one is 13 March 2025.
Yes.
Yes, Lordship. As per this, Lordship, is after all the deductions, his net amount is 18,407, Lordship.
Yes.
So, Lordship, here it shows that the petitioner here, they also stated that they have got a loan amount, Lordship. And in that loan, Lordship, while taking a loan, Lordship, he has purchased a truck vehicle, commercial vehicle, Lordship, where nowhere they have mentioned that the petitioner is generating income from that truck also, Lordship.
You have a truck also?
Lordship, I took a loan for the truck to give a job to my brother, Lordship, who is still unemployed.
And moreover,
being an
Lordship,
elder brother, Lordship, I have to give monetary and financial. I have to assist them, Lordship.
in their petition, they have also stated, Lordship, the respondent, that he has to look after his family, Lordship, who is his parents and 4 siblings, Lordship. Whereas, as per my information, Lordship, both of the parents of the respondent, petitioner, Lordship, they are government servant, Lordship. And 4 siblings of the petitioner, they are already employed, Lordship. He has got none of the siblings are pursuing their studies, Lordship. So his siblings are nowhere dependent on him, Lordship.
But why is the suit only in the stage of? There's no question, there's no reconciliation, no counseling was given when you filed the suit.
No, Lordship. Actually, Lordship, initially the appellant has tried.
The judge didn't call you for.
No, Lordship.
Did not?
No.
There's no chance of reconciliation.
No, Lordship.
No.
No, Lordship.
No, Lordship.
No.
But I've tried from my part, Lordship, to resolve the dispute among us, Lordship. But however, the petitioner, he doesn't want to settle it, Lordship.
In fact, Lordship, the appellant has also tried to reconcile the matter. However, it is the respondent herself, Lordship, who has through message, Lordship, she compelled the appellant to file a divorce suit. And now, Lordship, they are claiming this.
Meaning she forced you to do a divorce against her?
No, Lordship, because she said, Lordship, and this alimony they were asking for is for to meet the cause of the council, Lordship. If in that case, Lordship, the appellant, the respondent, they can go and opt for this legal aid, Lordship.
Yes.
And Lordship, the project which the respondent is working, it is a successful scheme, Lordship, which falls under the National Aid Control Organization, Lordship. And all the fundings are sponsored by the central government, Lordship. And the pay scale every 5 years it's being upgraded, Lordship. And the respondent this year she will be upgraded, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, my humble submission is that, Lordship, this amount which has been granted, 3,000 amount, is only for litigation expenses, Lordship. And that also till the disposal of the pending suit, Lordship. So it is just an interim alimony, Your Lordship. So, Lordship,
This petition is for expenses only, yes.
Yes, Lordship.
But,
so as per
yes.
As per Section 36 of the Indian Divorce Act also, Your Lordship, it clearly says that this Honorable Court is empowered, Your Lordship, to grant expenses of proceedings to ensure that the wife is not handicapped, Lordship, in defending or prosecuting proceedings, Lordship, due to lack of financial resources.
Madam Khasimlang, correct?
Yes,
For
Lordship.
the appellant and MS.
For the respondent, Lordship.
For the respondent and the petitioner for appellant for the petitioner. for the appellant and unconfirmed for the respondent. Stop. This appeal has been preferred. This appeal has been preferred against order dated 2/2026, whereby the Judge Council Court has granted alimony pendant light under section 36 of the Indian Divorce Act, or ₹3,000 per month, to meet the expenses of proceedings pending the disposal of the suit. Stop. Next paragraph is submitted by the learned counsel of the appellant that apart from the maintenance that is being paid, or ₹10,000, stop, and other expenses and other expenditure that the appellant has to incur, the grant of ₹3,000 is excessive, and that moreover the court was directed for payment of arrears of ₹51,000. She prays that this interim order be, or the order, your DA to how can you take home 3,000 a month?
Lordship.
How can you take home 3,000 a month? So even loan deduction 26,000 as per latest, if 3,000 is given, you still have 12,000.
No.
How do you say only 3,000 you're taking home? See your page 24, you won't appeal. You submitted just now that now 8,000, and you're taking 8,000 after deductions and only you get 3,000 for yourself a month.
26.
Page 24, see. This is your document.
Yes, Lordship.
So after loan deductions, 15,742.
No, Lordship, because in hand he received only ₹44,000, Lordship.
You said you submitted that he has 3,000 when he takes home, correct? That's what
Yes,
your
Lordship.
submission. Then
Another one is also
how do you say 3,000? Yes.
in page
Then,
26
Lordship,
also, Lordship.
This matter may come again after 2 weeks, Lordship.
Why?
I'll seek some more instruction, Lordship.
How do you say 3,000? I will stay the arrears for a time being, and then you pay 3,000 per month.
Then okay, Lordship.
You take instruction otherwise.
Yes, Lordship. Let it come after 3 weeks, Lordship.
Otherwise your submission is not correct.
Yes, Lordship.
I'll seek some more instruction based on this, Lordship.
After hearing at some length, counsel dependent please. MS Demofor, correct?
Lordship.
Please that the matter be taken up after 2 weeks to allow the appellant.
Lordship,
to allow the
if
counsel
after
to
3 weeks, Lordship.
Why 3 weeks?
Lordship, actually, I'm not well, Lordship. Sir.
Yes.
Item number 3.
Much
Obliged, Lordship.
Please, Lordship. Your Lordship, I pray that this matter may come up after a week, Your Lordship. Item 3, 4 and 5.
Yes.
This is regarding the engagement age of the casual workers and RCW. It was decreased from 65 to 58.
You file rejoinder?
Rejoinder has been filed.
Yes, for hearing.
Can come for hearing, Lordship. Otherwise, pleadings are complete, Lordship.
How many matters are connected?
3 matters.
Yes.
3, 4, 5.
Mr. MSS Lalu submits the pleadings are complete.
Lordship.
Yes, upon list the matter for hearing after 2 weeks. Yes.
Hello.
Much obliged.
Similar
Lordship,
order
only-
and other connected matters.
Only the interim order continue.
Interim orders when he should continue till further orders.
Hello.
6.
In this matter, my lord, we have filed an application seeking impleadment in the main case as a party respondent, my lord. The ground that we have stated in the writ petition, I mean, in the miscellaneous application.
And this case? Yes. What is the ground you stated?
I am the owner of the land, my lord, on which, my lord, the petitioner's plant is located. My lord, there's a dispute going on with regard to the establishment of plant in the very land. There are civil suits pending, claim and counterclaim are being filed. My lord, we are saying that in the, my lord, our stance is very clear.
What's your objection, Mr. Person here? Why are you objecting to this person being impeded? If he says that there's already a title suit between you and him.
Not me and him, my lord. There's already, my lord, I am a landholder in possession of the land. Now, my lord, we have already, my lord, the lease agreement by which they had all initially, my lord, came in possession of that particular area, my lord. Of course, promissory possession. My lord, that lease has not been extended by us anymore.
Now you entered, you are in possession of this property.
Yes, sir.
Correct. Now you have taken the property on lease from the applicant.
Our contention is the location where the rubber resources is on a different plot of land, Your Lordship, where there's no dispute, Your Lordship. So the disputed land that is based on, that is subject matter of a title suit, Your Lordship. However, the
subject matter here is different.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Subject matter regarding pollution.
In a prayer, Your Lordship, in the writ petition, it's regards to the closure notice and the environmental compensation, Your Lordship.
Issued by the Pollution Control Board.
Yes, Your Lordship. That is the subject matter of my writ petition.
He is not involved anyway.
No, Your Lordship.
No.
Then, Mr. Thapa.
My lord, my only grievance is if, my lord, they are in possession of my property. We have already given them, my lord, notice to evict. We have already said that you have no, we don't want you any further because, my lord, they have been violating the rules, statutory rules, right, left, and center, my lord. And that way, my lord, because of that action, my lord, even we were affected.
That is
because my lord, that is why, my lord, we had issued a notice to them saying that we are no longer interested to keep you as a tenant. Therefore, you are required to leave. My lord, in the meantime, my lord, this writ petition has come up. My lord, there was
what do you want to say?
I want to
if you pleaded.
My lord, because they don't have any right to even stay there any longer. My lord, on top of it, my lord, in the guise of
what do you want to say there? Now this lease subsisting?
No.
Your Lordship,
Lord, we have already given them leave notice.
It's in a different plot, Your Lordship. Rubber resources.
But I'm only saying, my lord, if I'm impleaded, I'll bring it by way of an affidavit, the land which is in question.
If this matter, yes, MS Bank, can it be closed as a matter with regard to pollution?
Yes, my lord, we can close if they pay the environment compensation. My additional affidavit, which is additional documents, my lord.
You paid and then this matter can be
We have revised it from 20.
Whatever title suit you have, your criminal complaint.
Yes, my lord.
You go ahead and pursue them.
There's no nexus between the civil suit and the...
So fine, no nexus, but if he says they already disputes were pending adjudication in some other forum, then let them do that. And this court, if it's only before this court, if concerned the pollution aspect, then we can close it.
All they have to do is just pay the environment compensation. They've asked us to waive off from 20. My lord, from 20.
How much is it?
My lord, now we waive to the
11 lakhs.
It's 11 lakhs, my lord. 11 lakhs 27.
Subject to that, we have submitted another counter, Your Lordship, for further reduction. So they haven't responded to that.
My lord, we cannot reduce anymore.
If you can dispose of, you won't need to impede yourself.
The only thing is there should not be any observation with regard to their possession over this property.
The only they've come against that consent established taken away, and that was discharging some pollutants into the river somewhere.
No,
I don't know. This court doesn't want to drag the proceeding to bring in a title suit, your complaint case, your CR case, your
that is not
that we don't want to. Yes, stop. Take down. Mr. Vasantiu has objected to the application for impleadment of the Miss Case 17 on the ground that the subject matter of the instant writ petition is only regard to the allegations of
closure notice as well as
against the closure notice and the
environmental compensation.
Environmental compensation, which has been
revised, my lord.
Not revised, which
My lord, this additional documents, my lord.
Just wait. Yes, leave him. It's only with regard to his closure notice which has been issued and environmental compensations are issued by the Meghalaya Pollution Control Board, represented by MSOI Bank. He further submits that the applicant, being more interested in the aspect of title in the instant matter, would not be necessary to be impeded. Ms. Thapa, Learned Counsel for the applicant, has submitted that the impediment is sought to clarify the entire issue with regard to possession and ownership of the land. Some MSOI Bank for the Pollution Control Board, however, submits that if the petitioner pays the environmental compensation
Amounting to 11 lakh
amounting to
77.
11 lakhs as directed, the matter can be closed. On hearing the counsel of the parties, it appears that the basic issue in the present petition is with regard to the environmental violations allegedly committed by the petitioner. In this regard, therefore, what you want time, or you'll pay environmental compensation?
We are not necessary to pay, Your Lordship, but however, in the interest of justice, we just want to settle, Your Lordship. However,
yes, environmental compensation. So accordingly, the petitioner is directed to obtain instructions within 1 week as to whether they are willing to pay environmental compensation, so that the matter can be closed. Yes, just after 1 week. Unless we impede you, then the matter will start, have a long story.
7.
Main case, a list.
May it please your Lordship. I'm praying if your Lordship would take up this matter at the end of the board, Lordship.
You've got your names.
We have already given the names, my lord.
Where's the affidavit file?
Lordship, we filed.
Is in file? What is in the affidavit?
They are saying it is that our request for appointment is under consideration before the higher authorities. But the law is within 30 days. If they fail to appoint, then they lose their rights. They waive their right to appoint.
So then we'll appoint.
Yes, that's a bit. Yeah, in page 19, Your Lordship, we have given the names.
Let Dr. Mosika come. Where is he?
Okay, he's
Court
on
number
next before court.
8.
I have similar prayer in this matter as well, Lordship.
This is a miscase, my lord. We have filed in the arbitration petitions, my lord. Basically, this miscase for modification of lordship order, my lord. So, my lord, what has happened, my lord? At the outset, I feel sorry, my lord, that on last occasion, when the matter has came up, my lord, my junior colleague, my lord, he appeared, my lord, virtually, my lord, and he could not follow the court proceeding properly, and he has given a consent, my lord. But, my lord, he could not appraise your lordship that the qualification that is required for an arbitrator, my lord. So, my lord, to that effect, my lord, I have filed an IA, my lord, for a miscase for modification lordship order, my lord, considering, my lord, condition 70 of the arbitration conciliation, section 70 of the general condition of the contract, my lord.
That's gone now with amendment. You're to be an engineer.
Yes, my lord. I have categorically mentioned in paragraph 10 of my petition, my lord.
Dr. Mosika come.
Yes, my lord.
9.
Lordship, if this matter is
Item
will
9,
come
my
up at
lord,
the end
is
of the board.
pertaining to non-compliance of an order. This was, my lord, relating to the rank of warrant
We have
officer.
instructions, Lordship.
Yes?
We have instructions, Lordship, if
Yes.
it can come up at the end of the board, Lordship.
Yes, sir. After some time, it's a patak.
My lord.
10.
Your Lordship, I'm praying for 2 weeks' time, Your Lordship, to file rejoinder.
Yes. For the 2 weeks' time, as we are allowed for rejoinder.
Highly obliged.
10 and 11 are connected.
10 and 11.
12.
May it please your Lordship.
No
Lordship, we're supposed to file an affidavit, Lordship, but we've sent the affidavit for vetting to the concerned branch from the headquarters.
Can't
They've
hear.
sent.
Just speak up. Is the mic not on?
It's on, Lordship. So from the headquarters, they've sent the affidavit to the concerned branch, Lordship. So we're waiting on that, Lordship. If your Lordship
No, my lord.
kindly grant us another 10
2
days.
weeks,
time.
yes.
As a last chance, my lord.
Has no meaning, Mr. Jha.
Highly
Highly
acknowledged.
Your Lordship will be filing the rejoinder during the course of the day, Your Lordship.
Yes, MSD Paju, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that the original affidavit will file in the course of the year. It's for hearing after 2 weeks. Yes.
14.
At least, Your Lordship. Lordship, on last occasion, the matter was gone for mediation, but it's failed. So the matter may come up for hearing, my Lord.
If for rejoinder,
We will file our rejoinder.
MS Rahman today submits that no rejoinder will be necessary upon the matter for hearing after 2 weeks. Yes.
Lordship, oblige.
15.
Please, Your Lordship, affidavit has been filed, my lord.
Lordship, I'm praying for some more time, Your Lordship, to file a rejoinder.
Yes. Further 2 weeks time allowed this for rejoinder.
Much obliged, Lordship.
16.
Lordship, I'll be filing on my course of the day, Lordship. I've received a signed affidavit, Your Lordship.
Number 6.
We are not filing.
So, government 1, 3 and 5, no affidavit. Only EB Prasad has been.
Lordship.
Only AG.
That is for number 4.
Lordship.
MSE Prasad, counsel for number 4 submits that the affidavit will find the course of the day.
Lordship.
A list of
1 week, Lordship.
for rejoinder of any.
If any, and for hearing.
If any, first. Yes.
Obliged.
17.
Lordship, I pray for further time to file my rejoinder.
Third attempt?
This is my further time, Your Lordship.
Or third time. Yes. As paid for the 2 weeks time allowed for rejoinder. Expected next year to join should be on board.
18.
We're not giving further time. Remember that.
Your Lordship, we have received the affidavits filed by them. Your Lordship, we are not filing rejoinder, Your Lordship. Let
Parties submit pleadings to complete this matter for hearing up to 2 weeks.
deeply oblige, Your Lordship.
19.
Please, Your
I will
Lordship.
file.
My lord, I'm praying for some accommodation, my lord.
What's the matter about?
For non-payment of the pending contract bills of the petitioner, Your
What's the
Lordship.
amount? The admitted amounts.
We are yet to receive, my lord, any instructions.
Who's the person supposed to give?
My lord, kindly just grant us 2 weeks' time, my lord. I'll personally see to it, lordship.
The file since last year. Yes, for the 2 weeks time, it's allowed. It's expected next year that we should be on board. Yes.
Much obliged, lordship.
Connected matters, 20. Connected matters.
1920, lordship.
21.
All right.
Much obliged, lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship, kindly grant me some more time, Your Lordship, to fill and fill it.
It's also file 25.
Lordship, we are praying for release of pending payment for work undertaken, lordship.
Same case like last one.
Lordship.
Any other state, yes. As paid for the 2 weeks time allowed for activities.
22
Expected
and
next
23,
year
Your
that we
Lordship.
should be on board.
Connected matters, Lordship.
22 and 23. 21, 22, 23. Much obliged, lordship.
24.
Well, as per the last order, you file our affidavit.
Your Lordship, we're praying to file a rejoinder, Your Lordship.
What about number 2?
Number 2, Your Lordship, is
Number 1's whom?
State of Meghalaya, Your Lordship.
No one's appearing.
Yes.
You already filed it.
Yes, Your Lordship. We will receive your.
I've served them.
MS Pandai Leonard Counsel for the petitioner. Response allowed how much time?
2 weeks time, Your Lordship.
To file a joinder after filed by the respondent number 2.
Much obliged.
Yes, on so and so.
25.
Service has been affected on respondent 3.
Not here. I'm paying for some time for filing counter, my lord.
Respondent number 3 is here to make an appearance. Which
Have they been served or not?
yeah, it has been served.
They've been served. You file affidavit.
We'll be filing today.
You obtain status.
Yes, Your Lordship.
What's your name? No one appeared last time. Yes, what's your name?
Teaching Serpa Lama. Teaching Serpa Lama. TCS Lama.
TCS Lanong.
Lama.
Lamar.
Yes. Lama.
Lama. Okay. Yes. For the petitioner submits that the status as the respondent number 3 has since been served, the praise for is allowed to find affidavit indicating service stopped. Mr. Keyboard charge you praise for further 2 weeks time. Yes. So I have to list after 2 weeks. Yes, for further orders.
26.
My lord, here, my lord, I file my application for deletion. The name of the petitioner, Arid of party in the read petition, lordship.
Yes. Which one?
Being WPC number 70.
No, which petitioner?
Petitioner number 2. Petitioner number 2, lordship.
No objection.
No objection, lordship.
Yes, sir. This is an application by Miss Case number 124226. The applicant here and who is petitioner number 2 in the main petition says that his name be deleted. What's the reason for deletion?
Due to personal reasons. The same is not objected to by the counsel for the GA for the respondents. Accordingly, petition number 2 shall be struck off from the array of parties. Registry to make the necessary correction. This case is allowed. Yes. Obliged.
27.
Your Lordship, step for respondent number 2 and 6 are completed, and we will file to bring on record.
2 and?
Okay.
My lord, I appear for respondent number 2. We are the executing agency of this project. My lord, but in this writ, I don't know if we are a necessary party or not, because this was an acquisition which was done for establishment of a substation. This payment does not involve any issue with regards to the right of way or the corridor. My lord, I may be permitted to file a small affidavit to bring our stand to it.
Instructions to appear for respondent 6.
Yes, sir. Mr. N. Kera to this entered appearance cards number 2 and Mr. M. N. Nongpur for number 6. So notice complete, not respondent.
Yes, yeah.
Okay, complete. So Mr. N. Kera submits that though the respondent number 2 is not directly involved in the matter, we will be allowed to bring a short affidavit indicating this. What you want to find? You want to file affidavit, Mr. M. N. Nongpur for 6 days allowed. How much time?
2 weeks.
To file affidavit, yes. What about the
State will be filing, my lord, for 3 and 4.
You are appearing for?
Respondent 5, this counsel, Your Lordship, will also be filing.
MS NG Shilla for respondents number 3 and 4 and MSPS number 3 for 5, pray for and allowed. A pray for have similar prayer. Prayers allowed. So list the matter of 2 weeks for affidavits. So union, not necessary. Union looking behind, yes. No. Yes.
Much obliged, Lord.
Second call 7. Give me the petition.
This appointment of arbitrator, my lord.
At page 19, we had suggested these names, my lord. 5 names.
They placed one decision from Jammu in the next item. Will also
Page 19.
But before that, will also kindly sees the next item.
It's a big construction file. It is in.
In fact, they placed an order from Jammu and Kashmir High Court. Order passed by Justice N. Koteshwar Singh.
Yeah, what does it say?
It says, my lord, clause 70 that requirement of engineer has to be followed. My lord. That judgment is there.
What is?
Even at Kerala High Court also, my lord.
I got the sheet.
But here they filed a miscase, my lord. Lots to kindly see. Page 18 of that miscase, my lord. Other next item number 8. In the next item, my lord.
This.
They filed a miscase. They will enclose the copy of the order.
Where the judgment?
Page 18.
Yes, my lord. The page.
Yes.
There was Jammu and Kashmir High Court, my lord. Para 4, arbitrator ought to be technical person as mentioned in the arbitration clause. The arbitration clause itself provides that in case of dispute, the party shall be referred to the sole arbitrator having degree in engineering or equivalent or having passed final direct examination, so and so, so and so. And this is also from the same clause 70, madam.
Same, MES, madam.
MES.
Yeah.
But the court has allowed a review also, madam. Court has allowed a review also.
How can the review be allowed? We can't allow. Section 11, court has no power to review.
I have not found to file the review, I filed the IA miscellaneous case, my lord. Because, my lord, the appointment was not completed as of yet, my lord.
How can you file for review?
The consent has been sought from Justice YPL, the last order.
I filed an IA, my lord.
Already been received.
Received.
Then, yes.
My lord, what I am submitting, my lord, education qualification is mandatory, my lord. In this case, my lord, even in.
Then let the arbitrator appoint an engineer then.
Yes.
To assist him.
My lord, even I filed one judgment, my lord. Even after the expiry of the panel, what my learned senior friend is me submitting, my lord. My lord, may kindly see the judgment of Jammu and Kashmir, my lord, on 28/11/25, my lord. My lord, the person from the same panel has been, my lord, appointed, my lord. It is, my lord, the panel, my lord, was not, my lord. Panel is there, my lord. Only period has expired, my lord. It has not been renewed, my lord. And they are competent.
From panel, we are not agreeable.
They are person, my lord. They are person only, my lord.
Getting instruction, yes. Otherwise, court is inclined to review.
That is number 8.
Review is next item.
Review is.
That is the next item.
I only wanted to show the Jammu and Kashmir High Court order.
Yes. Then in your case, then we will appoint. No, only thing. Then who should appoint? You said the panel's expired.
We have given the list of names in page 19 of our
petition. They are still valid.
Yes, my lord. In this case, also, if your lordship will see.
MCT Pareva.
Yes.
Arvind
then
Kumar
Kumar Arora, Saurav Mathur, Raj Kumar Sarkar, Akhilesh Kumar, Vijendra Kumar Jain.
Anyone from this list also can be appointed in my case also. There is no issue, my lord.
Your case is different footing. Whether we'll entertain your miscase, that all is a different matter.
Yes. Let him complete.
My lord, Mr. Vijendra Kumar Jain, your fellowship.
That issue remains, my lord. Whether the entire clause 70 goes, my lord, after the amendment. If the first requirement goes,
my lord, if your lordship will kindly see page 10 of this judgment of Kerala High Court.
We're not inclined to just have possessive value. We don't have binding value.
No, my lord, it is, no, what I'm saying, my lord, it is the same MES department, Union of India. There they have appointed from that list itself. It is in December 25.
List.
Yes, from that expired list, they have appointed Arvind Arora. It is the same.
By them.
By them. They did not object. And also in Jammu and Kashmir High Court, it is appointed from the same list, expired list. It is same Union of India, same MES.
This is not expired. This is 23 order.
No,
this is still
25.
25 order, my lord. December 25 appointed from that list. And here that names we have suggested, my lord, the number Vijender Kumar, if they have objection to MES panel, Vijender Kumar Jain is from railway, my lord. He is a retired chief engineer from railway. That is why we suggested if they object to MES, then let him be appointed. He is a retired from the, but he is otherwise a panel arbitrator.
The best course will to appoint a judge, my lord, and he can co-opt
the
service, my lord, of an
clause
engineer.
70 will be attracted, my lord.
Can't be so simplistic also to order just like, clause, the clause says so, but after the amendment now, it can't be simplistic, the fine. That's the thing.
That is why not a clause 70 only.
Whether even a miscase is entertainable, it's a
I am not filing miscase, my lord.
No, I'm talking about their case.
Yes.
That's a different thing.
Well, they did not even suggest any names, and these are from their panel. And Mr. Vijay.
But what is I nominate so and so, it says. It's not a question of them appointed by them. It's not by the court. The court has the power to appoint anybody. So, will you appoint not from the panel, Dr. Mozika?
Not from panel.
Then you give other names.
Well, Mr. Vijender Kumar Jain, which we suggested, he is not from their panel, but he is a retired chief engineer having the qualification, and he is from railways. So they should not have objection.
Come, matter, my lord, on day after tomorrow, Friday.
Then, my lord, Friday I will not be here.
Mr. Wanswet will be here.
No,
He's very
my lord.
competent.
Clients.
Instructions.
Friday or Monday? Monday you are there, Monday.
You think suggest the name?
Suggest the name. No, they are not suggesting the names which we suggested earlier. They did not appoint also. They are not objecting also. They are not objecting. But they are saying the appointment is under consideration. But now they have already lost their right. So it is within the jurisdiction of the court. Either Mr. Arora or Mr. or from the name.
Arora Mathur from the old list, my lord.
Yes, Sura Mathur.
And there was a specific reason not to extend that, my lord.
Okay, then we are not suggesting that also. Then you can appoint Vijender Kumar Jain, who is not even from the MES panel, my lord. They should not have objection if a lordship
What's the
agrees
contract
to that.
regarding construction?
Construction.
Who's playing with the phone here? Just now? Who the lawyer is playing with the phone? Your phone?
My sincere apologies, Lordship. My sincere apologies, Lordship. I wasn't aware that volume was full.
You're not supposed to look at your phone also in court. Are you assisting them?
No.
Very bad form. Yes.
Come Friday or Monday, my lord. I'll have, we can.
Friday will be what day?
I'll give you a list to avoid controversy and then we'll appoint. She accepted also.
Then in page 13 also.
Otherwise we'll appoint from this list only. Yes, Mr. Dr. Mozika pays well out to obtain
or a page
final
13
instructions with
also
regard to
names
the same company only in Kerala also.
Yes.
That Kerala is the same company here.
This is Pushkaras, your company.
Pushkaras is mine, my lord.
Yes. So the same company here.
Same
also.
company it is here. That is in Kerala.
Yes.
And we are not insisting that Arvind Arora should be appointed. I just brought it to your lordship notice. It is same MES department, where in one high court, two high courts, they are appointing from the expired list. And how come in this high court they are objecting they're not? Okay, I don't insist from their list if they are not.
Different councils for more learned.
Well, I have given other names also from other lists.
Yes. This one on Monday.
Let this come on 28th, my lord.
Okay, 28.
28.
28, Tuesday.
But you come finally. This is a matter for final disposal on 28.
On 28, my lord. Either they should suggest some names, so if your lordship may appoint.
You bring some more names also. But it's nothing, not for adjudication also, only for appointment.
Yes, only the names.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, my lord. My item, my lord.
Item number?
Item number 8, my lord.
Yes.
Here I have filed the miscase, my lord.
Yes.
Because, my lord, what has happened on last occasions, my lord, my learned, my junior colleague, my lord.
Amendment to the Act that have overriding effect on Section 70. What's your submission?
My lord, section, my lord, only, my lord, my serving officer, my lord, under section 12(5), my lord, only serving officer, my lord. But qualification remain intact, my lord. If you go by the, my lord, my lord, condition 70, my lord, page 109, my lord.
109.
Because of the 7th schedule, my lord, all
yes,
all the arbitration 70, all disputes between the parties to the contract, other than those which, my lord, shall after written notice of the either of the party to the contract to the other of them be referred to the sole arbitrator of a serving officer. That is important, my lord. Having degree of engineering or equivalent, or having passed final or degree final examinations of the subdivision 2 of the Institution of Surveyor India recognized by the Government of India to be appointed by the authority as mentioned in the tender document, my lord. So if the serving officer has, my lord, under 7th schedule, my lord, there is a bar, my lord, serving officer cannot be appointed, my lord.
Yes.
But the qualification remain intact, my lord. Because, my lord, this issue involved is the technical issues of the construction's work, my lord. Is a basically in my case is a construction of a runway,
no,
my
but
lord.
this one is gone. Serving officer having degree, how do you interpret this?
The entire thing will go.
Everything will go.
But, my lord, the qualification, the intention, my lord. The
Then let him get assistance of a, because of this clause 70 has gone, the total effect of clause 70 has gone due to the amendment. Then serving officer having degree in engineering is not a required qualification anymore. But in view technical specifications of the project, then the arbitrator appointed can take assistance of a retired engineer.
My lord, the
To take instructions.
Yes. But in the
Come on Tuesday, my lord.
Not on Thursday, can it be on Thursday, my lord? 29th, my lord. It is not
Yes.
29th, my lord.
29, we take instructions. Otherwise,
my lord,
we're not inclined to entertain in this case. Yes.
Yes.
We can only modify that extent. Because that clause, that bracket is gone. Serving officer having degree in engineer has gone.
But that has been reiterated in the judgment of Jammu and Kashmir that I have enclosed the copy.
We're not inclined to follow Jammu and Kashmir. We can't simplify.
Yes.
See, if the amendment is there, we can't oversimplify matters also. You have to understand.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
Okay, I will try to respond in 29th, my lord. Of last.
Yes. This matter on 29 is before the order. Yes, what instructions do you have? Where's
But the instruction we placed,
where's
my lord.
Mr. Oh, here, yes, Mr.
Mr. Patak is saying there is
My lord, I am
not.
there.
Where's the local council?
My lord says in the other court, just on the way.
There is only court sitting now. Where's the other council? What is the instructions?
Yes, 3, my lord, of this third page.
Mr. Pathak, he can't see it.
I have handed over, my
I'll
lord.
see it today.
In the other matter, I have given
Another,
it's the same matter.
Yes.
If they are not happy with this, they have to come by a fresh petition.
no, my lord. What has happened, another matter of the similar nature is fixed on 27. Lordships had clearly held that this warrant officer designation is not a promotion. Now, while implementing SCP, MSAP, they have again treated it to be a promotion, my lord, therefore nullifying the entire orders of this.
It doesn't say promotion anywhere, my lord.
So therefore,
Can't you say?
It does say.
no,
Doesn't say upgradation.
ultimately, they have taken the same date, my lord.
From the date of registration as warrant officer, will be counted 12 years.
Yes, Dr. N. Mozgia today, Leonard GSCI today has produced a communication dated 20th March 2026, wherein an order dated 12/3/26 will enclosed showing the approval competent authority that which he submits is in compliance of the judgments and orders of this court and of the various high courts. Yes, in this connection, stop. A copy of the same made over to the local council. When you want it listed,
Come together on 27.
let the matter as praise that the matter be taken up physically on 27. Yes.
27.
Deep.
Obliged.
Hearing. Supplementary list 3.
In furtherance of the last orders passed by the Honorable Court, we have filed an affidavit bringing in record.
Where's your application for exemption of appearance?
Lordship, he's on VC, Lordship, now.
Was in VC? Okay.
Yes, Lordship. Yesterday, yes. Lordship, had
yes.
agreed.
Yes, Mr. Paul.
if I may just draw your lordship's kind attention to the affidavit. Well, it's the orders were passed by the division bench of this honorable court on 29/1/2026, whereby it was indicated that before 15/2/2026, well, it's the payments would be made. If my lords have the affidavit, Millets.
Yes.
Well, I'll first draw your lordship's attention. Well, it's to 13/2/2026, which my lords would find at page 7, last page of the affidavit.
You got a copy of this, Mr. Marpan? You received copy.
Yes, of course.
Yes.
Well, this is an email sent on 13/2/2026.
Yes.
On top, my lords will see this email is sent on 13/2/2026, and it says, my lords, INR rupees 99,000 has been successfully added to your account ending so and so from so and so on 13 February 2026.
Yes.
Now, thereafter, my lords, may kindly have a look at the next previous page, my lords, page 6. Now, this is dated 13/3/2026, my lords.
Yes.
Now it says, my lords, INR so and so is deducted from your account ending so and so and added to so and so account on 13 March 2026. So they put the money inside, my lords, and they deduct it on 13 March.
So the next it was 13 Feb. It was deposited.
13 Feb deposited, 13 March deducted.
Yes.
Then next page, my lords, if my lords can have a look at page 5.
Yes.
So again on 25th March, my lords, they again redeposit that amount of 99,000.
Yes.
And my lords, at page 4, again that amount of 99,000 has been deducted, because balance now is again at 24,171.
Yes. What is this, Mr. Marpan?
Lordship, I have the statement, Lordship.
No, why is it deducted and added at present? What is this?
First of all,
what is the order of the court?
Yes, the order of the court is to deposit. Now, Lordship, first of all, this amount of
deposit, that means like over and above your policy, the order of the court have to be obeyed. Simple as that. The judicial
I'd like
order.
to explain, Lordship. The reason being, this amount of money, this is not the petitioner's money. This is not a money which is recovered from the scammer.
This is the order of the court.
Well, if I may just draw your lordship's attention to the order of the division bench, Millets, because that would be important. My lords, may kindly have a look at the orders passed by the division bench, Millets, on 29/1/2026.
Yes.
And relevant paragraph will be, Millets, paragraph 2.
Yes.
Well, it's admittedly the said petition is pending, and the order impugned is an interim order by which the appellant has been directed to remit an amount of rupees 99,000 within 7 days from the date of the order.
Yes.
Into the account of so and so. Without going into the merits of the impugned order, learned counsel for the appellant states that he will remit the said amount into the respondent number 1's account before 15 February 2026 without prejudice to the rights and contentions before the learned single judge in the pending writ petition. Respondent number 1 also states that the said amount is accepted without prejudice to the rights and contentions. It also states the amount of so and so will not be utilized till the aforesaid writ petition is disposed of. So, once you have made a submission before the court saying, that in appeal that we will deposit the amount, where is the question of the deducting the amount repeatedly?
We'll draw some more to contempt.
Lordship,
Yes.
Lordship,
Who
may I
are also
explain?
concerned?
Lordship,
His
branch manager is
I'm sorry, we'll have to draw contempt
Lordship,
against
Lordship, there's an explanation, Lordship. I insist, Lordship. I insist, Lordship.
Yes, order of the, you insist, you go and appeal.
Lordship, I insist that the branch manager has an explanation for that, a very genuine explanation, Lordship. A very genuine explanation.
Did you find an
This
application
has not been done.
Did you find an application before this court to put this facts on record that we have to resort to this kind of action because the bank policy demands so?
This has not been done by a branch manager, not done by, it was centrally done from Mumbai, Lordship. There is an explanation. Branch manager has seek that
Whoever in
information.
Mumbai, let him come.
The information, they have seek clarification. Branch manager seek clarification. It's an email addressed by the branch manager to the
accounts of the
this is
customers
centrally
can be
done.
remotely controlled by the head office.
Exactly, Lordship. The branch manager can explain, Lordship. Kindly allow him to explain, Lordship, please. I insist, Lordship.
Bombay will be responsible, he
Yes.
will have to come.
Let
Somebody
us
has to
explain.
appear. This cannot.
Let him explain, Lordship. Just once, just allow him to explain, Lordship. There is a valid reason, Lordship. I insist, Lordship, please. Kindly, Lordship. There's a genuine reason. Yesterday we had, I had the clarification that it was done centrally. It was not done by a branch manager.
How can it operate?
It was done centrally. There is a time frame. The system, because this money is not a recovered money. This money is taken out from the
Where's the
public
explanation?
money.
Before you did it, you did 13 February, 13 March. Now we're
This was
sitting in
done
the end of
without the
April.
knowledge of the branch manager. This was done centrally from Mumbai, Your Lordship.
Let's see. From where's the account? Where's the email come from?
This is from
where's the email?
Insta alert.
Account updates for so and so. This mail sent on so and so. This is received from HDFC. Right.
A system will prompt that every 30 days this temporary credit, it's under review, has to be debited, credited, and it has been debited. As on date, you have a statement, it says it's been credited again.
Did you not communicate to your head office that there are orders of the court?
We have communicated, they have acted on this. There is an email, Your Lordship.
Filed by,
yes, Your Lordship.
filed by Friday. Right. Yes. And after it's been filed by the petitioner, wherein the fact that in spite of orders of the division bench of this court, though the amount was initially deposited, the same was withdrawn and redeposited and re-withdrawn from Ms. S. Marpan.
Now it's deposited again, Your Lordship. I have a statement here.
Matters has been occasioned due to a bank policy. So this court fails to understand is how policy will come the way when the judicial order has been passed by this court in the division bench. Stop. However, for the end of justice, the permit to file a short affidavit. Just the matter on Fridays. You remain present, Mr. Lakman. Yes.
My lord, may I also just pray that in the affidavit, let the bank disclose, my lords, who is the person responsible for
Let them
this.
file affidavit. If see, Mr. Paul, if they do not disclose, if it feels it's there to their detriment. Yes, who make the policy decision?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Deeply obliged.
You remain present next date, Mr. Lakman. Transfer to be present on the next day, Friday. Yes.
Wait, please, Your Lordship. I'm praying some accommodation in this matter, Lordship.
My lord.
Oh, sorry. Yes. What's the matter about? Which?
My lord, it had come up the other day, my lord, but then I got disconnected from the VC. This was, my lord, regarding to payment of pensionary benefits and the calculation thereof. These persons, my lord, they were, my lord, under Rule 26.
Dr. Muzika, you was here just now?
Lordship, he'll be on legs before courtroom number 1, single bench, Lordship.
In fact, if it can be taken up on some other day, my lord. Today we have Bar Council elections here also. I am also busy.
Okay, you're contesting. You're contesting.
No, my lord, but then I have some responsibilities in the election.
Okay. Okay, yes. On the prayer of the parties, this matter for 2 weeks.
Deeply
29. 29.
Yes.
Lordship, this matter pertains to the illegal denial of my salary despite valid and years of continuous service and the legal recognition of the respondent's service despite her termination letter.
Where's the appointment order?
My appointment order is in page 12, Lordship. Page 12 and 52.
Your President Senba Marak.
And subsequent.
Page 12.
Page 12 and 52. However, the respondent number 8 also was.
This was in 2019.
Yes, Lordship, 2019. 8th March 2019.
Okay.
However, the respondent number 8 as well was appointed to the same post prior.
1 second. Yes. Who's for respondent number 8?
Mr. Paske is appear for respondent.
Mr. Paske, oh, Rebina Sangma.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Now, you appointed on 8 March.
Respondent number 8.
And respondent number 8 is appointed 5th March.
Yes, Lordship.
That's the case.
Subsequently, our appointments were cancelled, Your Lordship. In Annexure 3, page 13, 14th March 2019.
1 second. What is the interplay here? Both 8 and you were cancelled.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay.
And on
then
page 14, Annexure 4, the appointment of the respondent number 8 was terminated.
Yes.
And subsequently, I was reinstated, Your Lordship, to the same post. In page 16, Annexure 5, on 10th June 2019.
And where is that?
Page 16, Lordship.
Okay. That is 10 June.
10th June, yes, Lordship. And
yes,
the department having recognized my service, subsequently I was deputed to another school at page 19, Annexure 8, to Boldangre Lower Primary School, Your Worship. Page 19, Annexure 8, on 22nd Jan 2020. And I submitted my joining letter.
now this is 2020.
Yes, Worship.
Yeah.
And I submitted my joining letter on 3rd February.
Transferred on 22nd. Yes.
However, after 4 years of my service, Your Lordship, there was an inquiry conducted regarding my appointment and the appointment of the
number 8
respondent, yes, Lordship. However, this inquiry report is defective, Your Lordship. I see it's defective because the termination order of the respondent number 8 was ignored. So was the cancellation orders, and they had. If Your Lordship looks at page 21, Annexure 10.
Now tell me the last, this inquiry report, this is Annexure 10, correct?
Yes, sir.
What is the, see, just read it. Who did this inquiry? Okay. Oh. Yes, Mr. Bharatsaji.
Lordship will kindly see, my lord, the petitioner never done.
What this is created by whom?
My lord.
There's one big villain in this.
Yes, yes, my lord.
Here's problems.
In fact, she has been issuing orders left, right, and center, my lord.
She retired. She should no DP against her till now.
To my knowledge, my lord, some DP was initiated, but by now probably she must have retired from service. Yes, my lord. Because the actual person who is employed in the school, my lord, is the respondent, private respondent. The petitioner never went to school.
No, forget about the petitioner. Even the petitioner, whatever it is,
yes, my lord,
rightly or wrongly, was given an appointment, but then the termination of respondent number 8 also was just like that. And she was transferred to a post, there's no sanctioned post of teacher also.
Yes, my lord. In fact, my lord, there was one very similar case. Subsequently, the petitioners withdrew that case, my lord. That was the case of Nazmul Hassan. Lord, Nazmul Hassan, I forgot the year, my lord. I will supply the. Subsequently, it was withdrawn. Same thing, my lord. Same an appointment order was issued for some school. Subsequently, another order was issued transferring him to some other school. So the same thing, he never went to school. My lord, there is no evidence, there is no attendance register, nothing, my lord. There is nothing on record here also. So actual fact is, my lord, the person who is teaching, the teacher who is teaching is the private respondent, my lord.
Now, one thing, Mr. Larson, were you paid till August 23? You were paid till when?
I was paid till
my lord, the appointment order also, if my lord will kindly see, it is
November 23. November 23.
You paid in November?
Yes, Lordship.
That means, and then after November, respondent number 8 has been paid.
My lord,
are you being paid, Mr. Paske?
Yes.
I am not being paid, your Lordship. Annexure 11, your Lordship. Annexure
Not
11
been paid.
of the petition, page 22.
So none of them were being paid?
I am not being paid. For the past, now, since 2020, I have not been paid.
You haven't
I
come.
am continuously till date.
But you have not filed any. You have not submitted a representation or any writ petition. You have not filed anything.
I filed my reply, your Lordship, but in
No
the
reply.
petition itself,
Now 3 years also without pay. You just happily working.
I have given my representation, your Lordship. It's at page 25, your Lordship, of the petition. The petitioner has annexed it. It's annexure 13, page 25, your Lordship. May I read, your Lordship? Page 25.
No, I've seen that. Yes.
Annexure 13.
It's before me. Yes.
Complaint letter on payment of salary. So my lord will kindly see, interestingly, my lord, even the appointment of the petitioner, which says Managing Committee of Jonkipara Primary LP School. So there is no such school in existence, my lord. Which school is that? So definitely it's not this school.
By the managing committee also.
So managing committee, one hand it is a government LP school, another there is a managing committee of pre-primary LP school. How can it be, my lord?
Lordship, the appointment of the respondent number 8 also was through the recommendation of the school managing committee.
Your Lordship, an inquiry also was conducted on the 20th of October 2023, whereby the findings are very clear, your Lordship, in respect of the private respondent, that is me.
If I can take your Lordship to page 21.
First of all, the petitioner will have to establish that she has been going to the school also.
Now what is it? Now you are.
Let the petitioner produce the attendance register, my lord, if she was going to the school.
My service being
So
recognized,
this post pre-primary, this Selbina Marak died, right?
Yes, Lordship.
Now,
in her place, my lord. After the death, there was a vacancy.
So 8 was appointed on 5th of March in her place, correct?
Earlier than the petitioner, my lord.
Fine. Now, against the same post on 8th of March, the petitioner was appointed. How?
Exactly, my lord. How
And
can
then
it
they have
be?
no totally irregular appointment. So you don't have any enforceable right, Mr. Lathundia.
No, Your Lordship, what happened here is that.
And then cancelled by order dated 14 March in a space of 9 days, 2 appointments, 3 cancellations, and then again cancellation 2nd June. How would we cancel twice?
Exactly, my lord.
No, cancel, see, now cancel in 14 March. Mr. Paul Paski, you don't, this your client also should have, how can she be terminated twice?
was cancelled and then subsequently terminated. But what has happened here, Lordship, is that all these orders were issued by the same competing authority.
See, the thing is that it's not your case. It is not the fault of the petitioner. It's a fault of the respondents themselves, whoever this Begum Laskar is.
Exactly.
It's just there in the face of documents itself that she's been engaging in, corrupt practices.
Yes, Lordship.
Absolutely.
And the same.
Otherwise, Mr. A comes, gives her some gratification, she appoints. Mr. B comes, again same post, give gratification, appoints, cancels this one, terminates that one.
Otherwise,
transfers the other one because he's promised a job, transfers some non-existent post. That's what happened.
Otherwise, let there be a fresh inquiry, my lord. Let both of them.
Will not achieve anything. The very root of the matter shows that you're the point against the post. See, appointed against a post of a teacher who has expired as a vacant post.
Yes.
So fact remains, now you're appointing two people, and one person you're retaining, other person you transfer. So how is it possible?
Well, the transfer order is also, my lord, it's very doubtful, my lord, whether ever the petitioner.
No, the thing is that not selectively, the order is actually patently illegal because your appointment against a post is already filled up. In the first extent, in a space of 3 days. Understanding difficulty, but it's a very peculiar case. You can't. Counsels, we very difficult job. What do you say, Mr. Pasanthev? That's why he's not arguing, letting you argue this matter, you see. He's still in service, this lady.
No, this lady is not, my lord. The respondent number 8 is in service.
No, this lady.
To my knowledge, my lord, she's probably retired, but if my lord grants me some time, I'll find out.
She has retired, Lordship.
They have to initiate something, but I mean, after retirement also.
Some inquiry, to my knowledge, was initiated, my lord.
Inquiry also done by this school, Khetadawa school only. The same person, she's the villain in the entire piece.
Yes, my lord. Even that Nurul Amin case also, my
She's
lord.
doing all that and that.
Yes.
Same thing she's done here.
Yes.
These are poor innocent people. This is one number 8 in the petitioner.
Exactly.
Looking for employment and they fall prey to such unscrupulous officials.
Correct, my lord.
She is the victim. Who will compensate her?
Now, another fact, my lord, whether she ever went to that school. That
Doesn't matter. Whatever she has upon order, who will compensate? She's an innocent victim. She's been cheated. What can't decide this kind of cases? Must take some action to. Never file complaint against this person.
No, Your Lordship.
Neither did you, Mr. Paske.
No, Lordship, because I was originally provided.
He's not getting paid. He's not getting paid till now. How is it possible?
That's why I have
Take down, yes, take down. This particular case stands out for its peculiarity. Inasmuch as it appears that the writ petitioner and the respondent number 8 are the victims of the machinations, MACHINATIONS of the erstwhile sub-divisional school education officer, the Dangri West Garo Hills. Next, a perusal of the materials available would show that the respondent number 8 had been appointed at Jonki Para government LP school in the vacant post of one late Simiti Selbina Sej Marak bracket on a consolidated pay on 5th March 2019 bracket next year 1. Thereafter, against the same vacancy, the officer appointed the approved appointment of the writ petitioner with effect from 8 March 2019. So, thereafter, by another order dated 14 March 2019, that is the space of 9 days, the appointments of both the writ petitioner and respondent 8 were cancelled. Stop. Strangely, though the appointment of respondent 8 allegedly had been cancelled, purportedly stood cancelled, the same officer, by another order dated 3rd June 2019, terminated the respondent 8 from services. Although resume service now. Then June 19 again you got appointed.
Yes, Lord.
By another order dated 10 June 2019, the said officer then appointed the passed order of appointment appointing the writ petitioner to the same post. And subsequently, by order dated 22 January 2020, transferred the writ petitioner to Boldangre.
There is no vacant post there, man.
LP school.
We have stated in our affidavit, man. There is no vacancy.
I'm still serving the school church.
How are you serving the concept? See, then the Mr. Paski, next any order of appointment in your petition in your affidavit.
My lord, the order of appointment of the petition of the private respondent is at Annexure 1, page 11, my lord.
No. Regarding she was after he was terminated, when was she appointed again? In the same court.
That is not enclosed, my lord.
Then?
My lord, only one thing I wanted.
That's the thing. How was she serving?
My lord, one.
She has not challenged those termination orders.
My lord, one thing which I wanted to bring on record before this honorable court is that, my lord, there is a stark difference between the appointment order of the private respondent and the petitioner, my lord. Because in page 11, my lord, it says the language of the appointment order is totally different from that of the appointment order issued in the name of the petitioner, my lord.
In the?
My lord, if I can draw my lord's attention to page 11, my lord, Annexure 1.
Yes.
Srimati Trebina Ji Sangma BA, past daughter of so and so, village Jonkipara, is hereby appointed as pre-primary nursery teacher at Jonkipara Government LP School. This is what the order says, my lord. In vacant post of late so and so, expired in the pay of consolidated fixed pay of 12,000. Whereas, my lord, on the contrary, Annexure 2, which is at page 12, my lord.
Says of recommendation management committee.
Yes, my lord. Where did it come from? Jonkipara primary LP school, wide resolution so and so. There is also no resolution here on record, my lord.
Now, where's appointment, reappointment of this number 8? Where is it?
That, of course, even we have not brought anything on record, my lord.
Where's the reappointment order?
It has not been brought on actually.
Only in our counter.
Your Lordship, I have never received any termination letter itself. So there is no question for me also having one order because it was never served upon me till date.
How do you expect this court to
That is the only reason why I had continued discharging my duty diligently.
And that is our stand also.
You never got your cancellation or termination order?
No, Your Lordship.
Then where did you get it from?
That's the only reason I have been continuing discharging my duties. Only when the payment was stopped,
Non-receipt of these orders does not.
and thereafter,
No.
that I approached the respondent number 4, SDSCO.
It's now it's bordering on an absurdity.
Yes, Your Lordship, there is a spot inquiry also conducted at Annexure 3 of the State Respondent, page 19, Annexure 3.
No, now this inquiry report, where does it say about, where does it say that you've been reinstated then?
Your Lordship, there was no termination of respondent number 8.
But look at inquiry report at Annexure 10.
Annexure 10, page 21, my lord, the last para, it says, my lord, if I can draw my lord's attention. My lord, it says, after having perused the matter and scrutiny of documents, it is found that Srimati Trebina Ji Sangma was appointed and officially joined in the school with counter signature from the headmaster and still teaching in Jonkipara Government LP School as pre-primary teacher till date with the support and cooperation of the school
We'll
management
come to this, but the thing is that this order was kept under wraps. Never, this ever mark a copy to Trebina.
Yes,
the cancellation marked.
At page 14, it's been marked to Trebina. The respondent by.
Oh, page Annexure 3. No, it does not never mark to either any of you.
This mark is only office copy, my lord.
No, Your Lordship, at page 14.
And if it's marked by, if it's marked to number 6, that means how come in possession of this one?
Exactly. No, my lord, this is office copy, my lord. It is clear the tick is just above 7, my lord.
Okay. This is a crazy case. I thought no, last night. Bold and grey. Bold and grey.
LP school.
LP school. Stop. The entire sequence of events as discussed above would reflect that the dispute, that the creation of the occasion of the confusion, or the confusion has arisen due to the conflicting orders of the then, which is a sub-divisional school agent officer.
SDSC.
Yes. Stop. It is noted by this court that thereafter, in view of this confusion, an inquiry was gone into in connection with in connection with the matter, that is pre-primary teacher of at Jonki Para Down LP School on 12 October 2023. Stop.
20th October 2023.
It was on 12th October.
12th
The
October,
report
yes.
was filed on 20th October.
No, my problem.
Yes.
Stop. As per the findings of the inquiry report, which was conducted by the Office of the Subdivisional School Education Officer, it is noted that the cancellation of the appointment of number 8 was found to be illegal and unjustified, and it is also stated in the report that respondent number 8 had been duly appointed as per procedure and was continuing till date with the support and cooperation of the school management committee. And that is teaching against the sanction post of pre-primary at Jonki Paragam LP School. Stop. However, with regard to the writ petitioner, in a said report itself, it has been recorded that though she was appointed in Jonki Paragam LP School, she stood transferred to Baldam Grey non-government LP School. That's not possible also.
And
you know that.
there is no sanction post also.
No, to non-government. And that she joined her duties and teaching till date. Stop. The inquiry report, therefore, has correctly, to the mind of the court.
If I may take your lordship to
Yes.
serial number 2, it is found that Srimati Sanva C.H. Marak was again appointed as pre-primary teacher in Jongi Para Government School on 22nd January 2020. That is incorrect, your lordship.
No, it's not incorrect. Yes. No. Has corrected the mind of the court at least given a correct sketch as to the manner of appointments, cancellation, and transfer, which appears to have been made without any consideration to the individual case of the petitioner number 8 or by following due process. Stop. How do you say Balding there is no post?
No, it is there in the report itself. The end part of the report.
No, sanction post means doesn't matter, but she's teaching or not.
She is. The report says she is teaching,
Yeah,
but there is no sanction post.
Then you're teaching free.
So if there is no sanction post, government is not liable to pay.
Baldam Grey is a managing committee party here.
No, your lordship.
They have not made the managing committee party.
Why?
No, your lordship.
How are you being paid then? How are you going to serve in the non-government LP school also? Already been scammed by this subdivisionals, school agent officer
Only the headmaster has been made a party, my lord, but he's not entered appearance. Respondent number 7.
We need the appearance of. We need appearance of that number 7 headmaster of this.
Boldam Gray, government school, LP.
Yes.
How
Where's
it is?
section 7?
How it is written government, my lord? It's not a government.
6 and 7.
And 6 is the Jonkipara.
No, 6 and 7 they ever appeared.
No, they never appeared, my lord.
They were served.
They were served, Your Lordship.
Big problem. Where's that thing? Only number 8 has been served.
Number 8 is the private respondent.
The other 6 and 7, no affidavit has been filed. Where?
Had acknowledged receipt, Your Lordship, as per my.
Where? Where, Mr. Lasung? Yeah, where is it written that they've been served?
I filed an affidavit, Your Lordship, on 22nd August 2024. 22nd August 2024. The affidavit service.
Or 7, 6, 7, and 8, 1 to 9. You were served in person. Let's see.
By registered post, Your Lordship.
This is to unmake. See one thing. You see your affidavit on page number 5, 6, and 7.
State affidavit, my lord?
No, the affidavit of service. Can't make out. You do one thing, Mr. Lasuri. You take personal service. Otherwise, we can't give you the relief. We feel sorry for you, but just score out. Just order Shubu. From the course of hearing, it appears that the presence of respondents number 6 and 7 is of absolute importance. Accordingly, the petitioner is directed to take steps. A personal service. The respondent number. Who's the subdivision now officer there? The respondent number.
That will be respondent number 4. The current.
Number 4 also shall intimate the said respondents number 6 and 7. 6 and 7. To enter appearance for this court. Copy of the order will be given to the DA also. This stuff takes just for 2 weeks. You take personal service. Otherwise, you'll have no case.
31.
Very unfortunate.
31.
Deeply obliged, Your Lordship.
No one's getting paid.
Mr. Pathak.
Pathak matter?
Is any message that the Bar Council election to take some time?
After 1 week, yes. He's a returning officer. He's a returning officer.
No, he's not a candidate.
He's a returning officer.
33.
Yes.
33.
Some accommodation is matter. Some accommodation is matter.
But you don't accommodate.
No, my lord, I'm asking which respondent am I, because my lord, I'm appearing on behalf of the senior GA. She's not here, she's on her legs, that is why I'm asking.
After 1 week, yes, on the request of Mr.
46.
I'm praying if this matter can be taken up day after tomorrow also. One is senior would be conducting the hearing physically also.
You also have some difficulty.
My lordship, ready.
He's ready.
Day after tomorrow also.
What's the matter about?
This is regarding gratuity lordship. The petitioner here is up for 30 years for it. Despite that, the gratuity amount has not been released to the petitioner.
On a prayer, Mr. Chandal is after 2 weeks here.
49.
Yes.
Please, Your Lordship.
Yes, Ms. Lamba.
Please, Your Lordship, this is that case where we had argued at length. Please, Your Lordship, this is that case where my candidature had been rejected on the grounds that I had a criminal case pending against me, and I had shown to Your Lordships the judgments that mere pendency of criminal case cannot be a bar. Then, in the counter, they had also taken a stand that I had not disclosed that registration in my application form, to which also I had showed to Your Lordships the judgments that that this is not of much effect, particularly since I had on my own informed to them that there is a criminal case registered against me. If Your Lordship would recall, in fact, during the selection process, I had myself placed before the candidature board the copy of the FIR registered against me.
Yes.
Yes. So if Your Lordships want, I can take Your Lordships to those judgments again.
No, Dr. Mazika, you say this is as per clause 28
Yes,
replacement. How do you say so?
.28 says, my lord, rejection of application. In case the information furnished by the candidates in the application form is found to be false at any stage.
At the time of advertisement, they don't disclose this
They
fact.
didn't disclose. Well, when he submitted the application, he didn't disclose.
Clause 28.
28. Yeah. What's the best? I've given a fair typed copy also.
Yes.
It says, my lord, in case the information furnished by the candidates in the application form is found to be false at any stage of the recruitment rally and even at a later stage, the candidature of such candidate will be summarily rejected without any notice. Appropriate action will also be taken against such candidate as per the provision of law by registering an FIR with the police.
Yes. Now, what's the exception? She says it.
Normally, I placed a Supreme Court decision, authorisation. It is by a larger bench also.
Mr. Lordship, in fact, I had shown to Your Lordships the latest judgment which had even considered the Avatar Singh and then had also held that these are minor trivial errors which should be condoned. And just one more thing, Your Lordship, in fact, if Your Lordship would see that this was in fact not even the ground on which they had cancelled my candidature. Please, if Your Lordship would come back to annexure R8.
Yes.
At that stage, their stand was only registration of a criminal case against me. Please, Your Lordship knows that in terms of the judgment of the Supreme Court, in the counter affidavit, you cannot supplement your stand. Your stand at the initial stage was only that there was a criminal case against me. And this was their only ground of candidature of my candidature. Now, by way of counter affidavit, they cannot say that because there was a criminal case, because I had not disclosed, that is why they had cancelled it. Because that's
where's your rejection?
Yes, please, Your Lordship would have annexure R8. That would be page 68 of their counter affidavit.
No, where's your impugned letter here in your petition? Just page 68.
Yes. Please, Your Lordship, would have page 68 of the counter affidavit.
You page of your no. This is
Of counter, and it's your R8, page 68.
is there in your petition also. This is order dated
Yes.
8th October 24.
Yes, Your Lordship. Please, Your Lordship, will see paragraph 2 of this. Multiple correspondences have been carried out with the Office of the Commissioner of Police, so and so. Then Your Lordship will see paragraph 3. Verification of FIR lodged in respect of so and so has been received from Office of Superintendent Police, where it has been intimated that FIR number so and so is lodged against individual under IPC section so and so. Apropos, your candidature is hereby cancelled. So Lordship will see that their cancellation is only because there was a criminal case against me, because perhaps they had also realized the fact that I had voluntarily on my own disclosed the criminal case during the selection process. So that was not a ground for cancellation.
no, but one thing, MS Lamba, you see, as per the adjustment clause 28%, it clearly says that in case admission furnished by candidates is found to be false, any stage of recruitment rally, and even a later stage.
Yes.
That's the only thing you have to meet.
Please, Your Lordship, will see that. Please, Your Lordship, in all these cases which I had relied upon, Your Lordship, because this is a standard clause contained in all the advertisements which are.
Let's see the judgment. What does it say?
Despite
The judgment I placed my order.
yes, please, Your Lordship, will see that despite.
Let her finish first. Yes. Is Vishwanathan's judgment?
Yes, Your Lordship. Justice Vishwanathan's judgment, and there was another judgment where of the Supreme Court of Dhaval Singh's case, which was also a case where a candidate had subsequently disclosed himself. So therefore, the Supreme Court took notice of that and condoned the delay. And also a judgment of the Delhi High Court in Prashant Deep I had relied. Similar facts where the person had himself disclosed.
Which paragraph? The judgment? This is a Supreme Court judgment?
It's a case of
Which paragraph?
This is a case of acquittal. It's not applying.
Yes.
Para 1 itself will also kindly see.
This is Vishwanathan's judgment.
Yes, ma'am. The next question is back again.
Yes.
It is a hard and fast and a cut and dry rule that in all non-disclosure of a criminal case in which the candidate is acquitted in the verification form is fatal for the. So it was a case of acquittal. Ma'am.
And what's the next case you referred to? Yes, MS Lamba. Apart from the Supreme Court decision, which one? Next case, High Court of Delhi.
Yes, Your Lordship, there is a judgment by Delhi High Court, Prashant Veer, which I had
Yes, paragraph.
Place, and also
Para.
The first judgment is by Justice of this would have para 1. That itself is the question. The next question is.
No. I'm talking about the High Court of Delhi judgment. This Prashant.
Yes, Please, Your Lordship, I'll show that.
This you argued this matter yourself. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Which paragraph?
Para 3. Well, this was a case where parties settled the matter.
Please, Your Lordship, would have para 3 of this.
Yes. This will not apply.
And where's the finding?
Yes, please, Your Lordship, will see the finding.
Where, MS Lamba? Are you ready the matter today?
Please, Your Lordship, just. Please, Your Lordship, would have the penultimate paragraph.
Yes, acquitted, yes.
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 Acquitted on compounding.
Yes. You could see that para 11 is where the court starts considering it. And then your lordship will see paragraph 12 also.
Yes.
Please, in fact, if your lordship will see that here
Right.
also the court records that this instruction was even in that case. If your lordship would have para 12, if your
Yes.
lordship will see that there is the court notes the format of an undertaking. All the statements made and information given by me in this application are true, complete, and correct to the best of my knowledge and belief. In the event of any information or part of it being found or false or incorrect before or after the exam, interview, or appointment,
Where's the
action can
judgment,
be
Dr.
taken against
Mazga?
me. Yes.
But I placed Avatar Singh, my lord. So 2016.
Then your lordship would have paragraph 14 also. The question thus would be whether merely because the petitioner had failed to provide the requisite information in the first instant itself, the services could be terminated without even examining the relevant factors, including the nature of offence, his subsequent acquittal, as also the fact that he himself had furnished the said information prior to his joining the service. And then your lordship will see that in fact the court notes the same judgment of Avatar Singh, which is relied upon by my learned senior, for granting relief to him in this matter.
Oh, we'll pass judgment then. We'll pass orders, yes. Thank you.
Very well.
I've placed 38.5 till 38.9 with the Avatar Singh judgment, my lord. The law has been succinctly summarized.
Yeah. Yeah, thank you.
Grateful, your lordship.
51.
Yes, my lord. My lord, at this,
Pata.
yes, my lord. I have got one copy of Pata. My lord, at this stage, I've been instructed to say that if these applications which were applied to the Darbar, we may look into it and consider it. Please give us time so that we can look into these Patas.
See, I understand also when you instruct your client, in many holdings, they've had it for generations.
Yes,
they do not have any papers.
No, my lord.
I think that now with acquisition and all, certain people are suffering because the Shillong sees that there's some money to be made.
Yes,
so they will tamper with the rights of people who are in possession. But even if the land does not belong to them, they have occupancy rights.
Right.
If they created cultivation or structure, they have to come for that at least.
Correct.
Yes,
so the people they have to have some, even if a pata is going to show that maybe it's been settled when, but it's like that.
Yes, no, my lord, we're not saying that we will not give it to them. We're
Then?
not saying that. We're only saying, my lord, you see, my lord.
Copies of the pata you issue.
Yes, I do. I do have them, my lord. My lord, the first three patas are with relation to the daughter of the petitioner. We have given her patas. And these are not land that were bought or anything like that, my lord. They asked for patas, we issued patas to them. This is the daughter of the petitioner.
Yes, Mr. Khan.
I'm sorry, I made very few. I can give you copies, but I will.
Why you can't give copies?
Because my lord, the daughter
If
is.
these land patas are any relation to these 10 plot of land that we are.
My lord, the instruction to me was that these patas, because internally the daughters are also seeking applications for patas, the mother herself is seeking pata for the entire land. That is the only clarification we need.
My lord, we are a member of 9 females in the family.
Exactly, my lord.
9 females of us in the family, my lord. So 1 plot each was issued to us long time by, my lord.
So what about this?
If they can come to us, my lord, in these applications saying which plot belongs to whom, we will give them.
Let them have a look.
Yes, my lord, I'll give. Then these are your patas which were issued.
Oh, at least you've given a copy, yes. Just take down. Today, MSOI Bank has produced 3 pattas issued by the Darbar Shnong in favor of the daughter of the writ petitioner. So she further submits that the issuance of patta, she further submits that if the petitioner will clarify.
Yes.
You already clarified. Can you go to your application?
My lord, they may come to our office. We'll sit together. We'll clarify. Give us 3 months. We will.
My lord, this is of one of the daughters, my lord. It's all in the name of Mera Dalin, all 3.
Whatever it is, I mean, like that. No, no. She further submits that the matter can be settled at the
Darbar
level of the Darbar itself.
Yes, ma'am.
By a mutual consultation between
Yes,
the writ petitioner and the Darbar Shnong. So this court accepts this proposal, but I will make clear that in the settlement proceedings, due consideration should be given to the rights of occupancy and also of occupancy of the writ petitioners who are still in possession of the land for a considerable period of time.
Yes, my lord.
My lord, I have some prayer, my lord. Pending this, while they considering, my lord, right now what's going on in one of the land?
Further provided that while this matter is under consideration, the Darbar Shnong shall not make any further
destruction, my lord.
No, destruction will not further disturb the.
On their lands, we will not disturb, my lord, because
Because as of now, my lord, they have damaged the whole paddy fields.
My lord, we have not damaged
shall
the
not disturb or change the nature of the land for which pattas are being sought. Yes, just after 2 months, or it's after 1 month.
My lord, 3 months. We will
At
need
the
some
earliest,
time.
my lord, because everything is damaged right now.
For report, yes. Otherwise,
we'll need some time, my lord, for this.
1 month enough.
Yes, my lord.
And they also have to do some give and take like that.
I do.